Hello, welcome to a new episode in the FLTK Rust series, and this episode be discussing how you can use your own channels or any channels from the Rust ecosystem. So if you know, in FLTK we have the app channel, which we can use to send messages and handle them either in the app wait or in the app add idle. However, if you wanted to use another type of channel, it's always possible. However, since FLTK is a GUI and it basically needs that the channel itself, the receiver, doesn't block the GUI code. So for example, if you use the standard sync mpmc channel, and we can replace this by our standard channel here. The standard channel actually blocks the receive call, and the standard channel blocks. So of course we can't use the emit call. However, we can use the set callback. So and this basically returns a result. So we can send, for example, 1 as in the previous example, and here this returns also a result. So you see, because this blocks, you get a black screen. However, if you use the crossbeam channel, has a try receive, which doesn't block the main thread. So I can't remember which. Okay, 0.4. So we can use a multi-consumer, multi-producer, multi-consumer channel. So we can use crossbeam channel unbounded. And instead of the receive call, which basically blocks, it has the try receive. So this tries receiving a message without blocking. So here we can say try receive, and you can see that we see our GUI, and when we click the button we get the message. So that was basically it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.